So what is bidirectional feature on a scan tool? If you are browsing OBD2 scanners online, you already noticed that most of the beta scanners are listed as bidirectional, and that means ability to command your vehicle to perform different tasks. For example, you can turn on basically anything that is powered by electricity and you instantly know if that component is working correctly or not, which can be used to speed up your diagnostic process for servicing vehicle and also for used vehicle check. I have my bidirectional scanner topped on RTDIAG 900 Lite. In case you want to check that out, I have full review linked in description and linked up here, and I will show you what the bidirectional tests can do. I have 8% of battery, so I hope that will be enough to complete this video. Toyota. First we have to do this auto scan, so the scan tool knows which control modules we have in the vehicle, because each control module will have its own bidirectional tests. Okay, we have around 33 control modules in this Corolla, so we need to scan them all and then we can perform these tests. Luckily this RTDIAG is really fast when it comes to scanning. We are already at 58%. How is the battery? 8%. Okay, let me go first to the engine. Bidirectional function is also called component test, actuation tests, or active test. Select active test. Okay, and now I have all these tests I could perform with my scan tool, and all of them are just for the engine control module. For example, check the cylinder compression, control the all cylinders fuel cut, control the engine cooling fan, activate electric water pump. All these tests are just for engine control module, so only one out of that 33 control modules. For example, engine cooling fan. When I am performing bidirectional tests, I can also see the live data if I want to. So I can also look at the live data while I am performing the tests. You often need this so you can actually verify if the component works or not. For the engine cooling fan, it's simple, I can just hear it. Let's try low operation. You are probably not able to hear that, but I can hear my cooling fan is already spinning. Let's try high. You probably should be able to hear that. Now turn it off. Okay, so what I can do is I can go to different control modules and test various components. For example, let me select main body. Active test. And now we have another set of different tests. These tests are only for body module. For example, vehicle horn. On, off. We have door lock, unlock the door, and lock the door, unlock. We can try our mirror fault. Or mirror return. On. See, you get all of these tests. That is just for one module. We can wash our windshield with this. Okay, let's try another module. For example, the driver doors. This will probably be able only to lift up and down my window. Yes, we have only one test. Power window. Down. And up. Okay, so you get the idea. With bidirectional scan tool you can test basically any component that is run by electricity in your vehicle.